Homeowners in Taylor, MI are always looking for ways to make their houses more comfortable, energy efficient, and functional. One of the most effective upgrades that combines all these benefits is installing double-hung windows. Beyond their timeless appearance and easy maintenance, these windows are especially valued for the way they improve ventilation, something that can make a big difference in Michigan's varying seasons. The unique design of double-hung windows, unlike single-hung windows, where only the bottom sash can move, double-hung windows feature two operable sashes. Both the top and bottom sections of the window slide vertically, giving you greater control over airflow and circulation. This flexibility is key to how they enhance ventilation in Taylor homes. By being able to open both sashes at once, warm indoor air can escape through the top opening while fresh outdoor air flows in through the bottom. This natural convection process makes your home feel more comfortable without relying solely on fans or air conditioning. Better airflow for year-round comfort in Taylor, residents experience both hot summers and chilly winters. Double-hung windows help balance indoor air quality throughout the year. During summer, opening both sashes encourages cooler air to come in while letting warm, stale air escape. This natural ventilation helps reduce the strain on air conditioners and lowers energy bills. During spring and fall, gentle cross breezes can be created by partially opening windows in different rooms. This keeps your living space fresh and comfortable without mechanical ventilation. In winter months, while windows are often kept shut, the tight seals of modern double-hung windows prevent drafts. And on milder days, you can crack open the top sash to let out excess humidity without letting in too much cold air. Healthier indoor environment ventilation isn't just about comfort, it's also about health. Homes that don't breathe well can trap allergens, moisture, and odors. In Taylor, where homes often stay sealed tight to keep out winter chill, this can lead to stale air and even mold growth. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to ventilate spaces naturally, refreshing the indoor environment. Kitchens and bathrooms, in particular, benefit from improved airflow, which helps cut down on moisture and prevents the buildup of harmful bacteria. Safety and practical advantages for families in Taylor, MI. Safety is always a top priority. Double-hung windows offer the option to open only the top sash while keeping the bottom one closed. This is especially useful in homes with children or pets, allowing fresh air in without the risks of a low-level opening. Additionally, many modern double-hung windows tilt inward, making them easy to clean from inside the home. This is a practical benefit for two-story houses, where cleaning exterior glass can otherwise be a hassle. Enhancing energy efficiency. Though ventilation is the focus, it's worth noting how double-hung windows complement energy efficiency. High-quality models come with insulated glass and weather-tight seals, which prevent energy loss during Michigan's cold winters and hot summers. This combination of energy efficiency and flexible ventilation means you save money while keeping your home healthier. Perfect fit for Taylor residences. Taylor's neighborhoods are filled with a mix of traditional and modern homes. Double-hung windows suit both styles, offering a versatile look that complements brick homes, ranch houses, and newer builds alike. More importantly, they provide a practical solution to local climate needs, allowing residents to enjoy fresh air when the weather allows while maintaining energy savings year-round. Conclusion: upgrading to double-hung windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement for Taylor, MI homes. Their unique design allows for superior ventilation, making indoor spaces more comfortable, healthier, and energy efficient. From reducing cooling costs in summer to preventing stale air in winter, these windows are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve their quality of life. For families who want a safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable living environment, double-hung windows are a clear choice. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, they provide the perfect balance of function, beauty, and comfort, tailored to meet the needs of Taylor residents.